Welcome to Kenny's Foreign Motor. Today we're working on 2007 Toyota Highlander. Reset a maintenance lights. Turn the key on. You see the maintenance light is right here. This come on every time we do for oil change or service. So the oil is, we replace it. So we're gonna put to the A. Turn the key on, and you're gonna hold this. Hold the button and turn the key on the same side. So it's right here. See, the light is disappear. The request maintenance light reset. Keys off. Turn the key on. So we're gonna start the car. The light disappears. It's easy steps to reset the maintenance light for Toyota Highlander. Most of the Toyota is the same way too. Just gonna push this button while you're pushing it and you turn the key on. It's all set. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, leave the comment down below. Thank you.